care and proceed. Go first long drive wherever you want and make him to happy first of all. And this is to also enjoy the long drive. As in, sister. So don't forget your sister because she will have an eye always on you. Okay, ma'am. Congratulations. Tell me the date whenever you want. Okay, ma'am. Okay, welcome, kids. Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. Okay. Okay, sir. Your ma'am is offering you a nice car. Enjoy.
కార్తో పాటు శారీ ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నారంటే మొత్తం వచ్చేస్తారు
కదా నా అప్పుడు ఎంత బాగుంది.
చాలా సూపర్.
అదేదో స్క్రీన్ షాట్ చూడండి, అక్కడ కొత్త జ్యువెలరీ షోలో ఒకటి హైదరాబాద్లో ఇలాగే కొనుక్కుంటే వాళ్ళ దగ్గర స్కీమ్ వేస్తే ఒక శారీ, ఒక వెండి ఏమంటారు 1 గ్రామ్ వెండి కాయిన్, అంటే 10,000 వేస్తే 1 గ్రామ్ వెండి కాయిన్, 20,000 వేస్తే 1 గ్రామ్ గోల్డ్ కాయిన్, 1 గ్రామ్ ఇస్తున్నాడు. ఎంత అసలు రోడ్డు వాస్తవి జ్యువెలరీస్ అని
ఓకే ప్రజ్ఞ, డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ యువర్ ఆన్ ఓకే టేక్ కేర్ ఆల్సో.
ఆడవాళ్ళు వచ్చేసారు.
Come to Hyderabad, there you will enjoy. There are more to explore
మరి ఎంత
than your Rajahmundry. Okay, we will also go long drive to up to Trivandrum, Kerala. Say something, ma'am.
ఓకే.
Thanks for your offer.
Ma'am, say something, ma'am.
సారీ, ఐ డెంట్ లిసన్.
We are
I was
also
in the
offering you the grand long trip along with the car delivery. You family can enjoy the trip.
Sure, ma'am.
We will make all facilities there.
You also come, ma'am. We are happy only if you are coming. Please
Sure,
join us.
but I am very little bit busy. But I will try to join you when you are there.
Sure, ma'am.
Not all the way.
Whenever you are available, we'll go, ma'am.
Sure. I will make myself available for you guys. First
Thank you, ma'am.
take delivery car, ma'am. And also mom we will gift one car, the saree. For you
No
nothing. For me saree. For you nothing because you guys nowadays don't
I
like
give to my mother-in-law,
No,
but
no.
she loves it. So give me one.
No, you guys nowadays don't like our others gift. You people have your own choice and this
Yeah.
thing. That's why we
But
don't
not
want.
for me. You can give me, I'll give to my family. So no problem. My mom-in-law loves
No,
sarees.
that won't give pleasure to us. So if we give you enjoy it, then we will have pleasure. If you give it to somebody, no, we won't
My
get any
family,
pleasure.
why?
Whatever it
You
is.
should have pleasure for the customer, not for you.
Yes, exactly. We want the pleasure of the customer.
So you give
not
me
the
anything,
family
I'm
of the
ready.
customer.
You give me anything.
Not your attagaru or so and so.
Whatever you give, I have pleasure, ma'am. Please.
This
You
is
can
my
give me.
anchoring. చాలా ఇంకా